What's up, everybody? Today marks the day that we start our 50-state road trip. Today is a monumental day. Come and follow us on our adventure. We're starting in Arizona and we're gonna go head east and we're gonna make it all the way to Florida Keys. Today we're gonna go to Lordsburg, New Mexico. Bye.
Bye, Grandma. Bye, Grandpa.
Bye. You kids ready to go?
Yeah.
On our epic adventure?
Yeah.
No, more energy. Are you guys ready to go on our epic adventure?
Yeah.
We're actually doing it! We're doing it!
We're doing it!
We're gonna go to all 50 states.
Can you believe it?
Finally.
Today marks the first day of doing the 50 states.
Your destination is on the right.
Get my We're here at Lordsburg KOA and I don't know where my spot is at. They usually post it up somewhere. All right, Rain just showed me they emailed me our site, which is site 25.
This is the tent area.
We're here. 25.
Could it go right?
Not yet.
Can know that too?
What? Only 30 amp? Lucky, I got adapter. See this right here? This is a 30 amp adapter. Plug it.
Daddy, I didn't hear it.
Bam. All right. Alright. Alright, there we go. We got power.